Hey team, how are we? I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you some stuff on the USDT.D chart, which is the Tether Dominance chart. Now, I've stripped this chart back a bit just to show you some Hurst cycles. We got the larger cycle and the medium cycles, and the red line shows us where the two converge essentially. Now, as you can see, we've got one coming up here on the 25th of May. So I wanted to really make this video just to show you that potentially that there's a low in this market, which is the inverse of the crypto market. So I'm expecting this to go down and crypto market to go up, which commonly happens. Now, basically, as you can see from this, we've had some clear sort of cycle patterns here. We've gone up here, sort of dropped back into July 2024, and then made a bit of a low when the two converged in December 2024. Then a similar sort of period here into April, which was last year's, I don't know if you can remember, but the inverse Titanic, where we had a bit of a pump in the markets, and then a bit of a more of a pump heading into September, before the sort of next period of, probably in my memory, is the 10-10 crash, where there's a big liquidation event. Now, since then, really, the USDT chart has just gone up and up and up. It's started at 3.7, 3.9, and has gone all the way up to 9. So big move up here. And as you see there, we did have a bit of a pullback as we planned under the Hurst cycles in January 2026, which is that late sort of Santa rally, which we got some movement, nothing massive, some movement in some of the coins. I did mark these sort of periods out as being sort of potential for upside last year, but now look, it did come a bit lower than what I was expecting. In February, would have expected it more to be around sort of either here in November or here sort of early March. But in any event, we did have a big spike in February, and it's kind of pulled back from sort of 9. We've got down to about 7. Now, I am expecting, as you say, to go lower. What I wanted to show you was the MTF stuff here. We've got a big cluster of hobs. If I switch the 8-hour chart, I'll show you some stuff here. We've got an 8-hour order block, and then we've got which is already in, and then we've got some hobs above here, which is like the 14-hour, the 8-hour, 12-hour with some confluences. So I've done this little line, but kind of this is what I'm expecting. So it hits somewhere around 7.5, and then hopefully we can see a bit of a move down and get some relief in the crypto market. Now, in terms of the move down, I've got some levels that I've got in mind. Potentially I'm thinking around 6 might be the first sort of area which might sort of struggle to break through, but I certainly think there's a chance they can get down to around here 5.5, 5.0, which I think would be potentially a big move up. And that sort of prediction I've got for BTC getting around to 93, that would probably need to sort of get down to here, I think, for that sort of level to play out, and hopefully there we get some bigger moves on some of our spot coin holdings like Dodge, etc. So I just wanted to show you that. Look, this is we haven't got too much longer left now until May. We've got a few weeks, so kind of hoping it does break down pretty fast here, and we do get a big sort of pump. Allows everyone to sort of get out their spot holdings, and look, we can start looking for shorts. Thanks a lot, guys. There's the Hob scanner has just run, so if you're keen to have a look at any of the assets that are on there with the Hobs, have a look. Discord channel first week has been really good fun. Met a load of good people. Really enjoying it. We've been fighting against the spam, but I feel like we're winning there with less spam coming through, and it's been just met some really nice people through there. So if you haven't signed up, join in, and try and post some charts, and just try and improve every day. Great. Thank you very much. Cheers, guys. Take care.